class 10th. Okay, quadratic equations. How we recognize that the equation is quadratic equation, and what is quadratic equation I will show in this topic. Okay, with examples I am going to solve the quadratic equations also. Okay, problems based on this topic. First of all, quadratic polynomial. What is quadratic polynomial, children? Okay, based on this polynomial, we find out from this polynomial we get quadratic equation simply. Okay, first of all, quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c, where a not equal to 0. Here we have to put a is not equal to 0 always. Okay, this is quadratic polynomial with decreasing degree is 2 here. What is x degree here? 2. And here is 1. Here is 0. This is in decreasing order. Okay. When we put this ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a not equal to 0, then this is converted into quadratic equation. The quadratic polynomial now is said to be in the form of quadratic equation. When we equal this quadratic polynomial to 0, equal to 0, then that is said to be equation which is called as quadratic equation. Okay, like this we get quadratic equation from quadratic polynomial of degree 2. Okay, this is in the form of decreasing order. Polynomial is in x variable and decreasing degree. Okay, we get the standard form of this quadratic equation. It is called as, this is also called as standard form of quadratic equation. In short, we write quadratic equation in QE. Okay, like this we have to solve this. Based on this quadratic equation we solve many problems. Okay, whether the equation, given equation is quadratic equation or not, we have to check. Okay, and we have to find the roots of this quadratic equation. Finding the roots means finding the values of x values. Okay, x values, finding the roots, or we say in otherwise we can say that x values we have to find from this equation. Okay, this is said to be a quadratic equation. For example, I will show here some quadratic equations in the same form, that is 2x square plus x minus 300. Then this is in the form of quadratic equation. How you will say this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That is a equal to 2 here, x square is in a decreasing order x power 1, and here now x constant here. So this is x square, and here also x, b value is here 1, nothing is but 1. Okay, now what is c value here? 300. So this is in the form of quadratic equation. Another example is 4x square plus 2 is equal to 0. This is also in quadratic equation, that is x square, bx is not there because bx means 0 here. Okay, a means 4 here, c means constant 2 here. Another example is 1 minus x minus x square plus 300 is equal to 0. Then minus x square plus x, we have to make it in standard form. We have to write this given equation to become quadratic equation. X square minus x minus 300. Then this is now converted into quadratic equation. Okay, given equation is this one. Okay, x square and x and constant there. We can write it in the ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 form. So this is the final equation of quadratic equation we have written. Okay, like this we have to solve these quadratic equations to get x values, to find the roots of the equations. Okay, first of all, for example, I am taking some examples here. Check whether the given equations are quadratic equations or not. Okay, first one is, take this example, x plus 1 plus 8 equal to 0. Check, because this is not in the form of x square plus, compare this equation, given equation, with quadratic equation, that is x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We have to compare this given equation. Okay, now this given equation is, we have x into x plus 1 plus 8 equal to 0. So expand this. Okay, take out this bracket, we will get x square plus x plus 8 equal to 0. Now, yes, this is in the quadratic equation form with variable x is there in decreasing order. That is, a means here 1 and b means here 1, c is equal to 8. And this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So given equation is, we have to only check here, we don't want to find the x values, we have to check whether the given equation is quadratic or not. Given equation is quadratic equation. Okay, like this we have to find the given equation is quadratic or not. Second example I am taking, that is x minus 2 whole square plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3. Check. Okay, we have to first only we have to check here what is the given equation is, whether the given equation is quadratic form we will write or not, we have to check. First we have to expand the given equation, that is, it is in the form of a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. We have to expand this. Okay, x square plus 4 minus 2ab into 1 into 2 plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3 as it is. Okay, now x square plus 4 minus 4 and this is 2a plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3, and this can be written as x square plus, this is 2 into x into 2, that is 4x. Here I have written 1 instead of x, so this becomes 2ab means 2a means x and b means 2, that is 4x we will get, and this one and this 4 5 minus 4x is equal to 2x minus 3. Okay, now here I am writing that obtained equation is 4x plus 5 is equal to 2x minus 3. Now this is the equation we got here. X square minus 4x plus 5 is equal to 2x minus 3. So here 2x and 4x is there. Now take these values to this side. X square minus 4x and 2x becomes now how much? 2x becomes minus 2x here. Coming to this side it becomes minus plus 5 as it is we have to write, and this becomes plus 3 here is equal to 0. Now x square minus 4x and minus 2x means 6x plus 8 equal to 0. Now we obtain this equation in decreasing variable x, and comparing to this we get the equation in standard form of quadratic equation. So comparing to this quadratic equation we obtained equation, given equation, that is question, that is x minus 2 whole square plus 1 is equal to x minus 3 is a quadratic equation. Okay, so hence given equation is a quadratic equation. This is comparing to this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So given equation is in a quadratic equation. Like this we have so many problems from in textbook, so please go through the textbook exercise problems. Okay, practice that problems by seeing these examples. Okay, if you have not subscribed in my channel, please subscribe my channel for more updates. I hope this video will helpful to you in quadratic equation, children. Please watch complete video. Okay, how to solve solution of a quadratic equation. Solution of a quadratic equations. Okay, basically we have learned this topic in last classes, so you know what is quadratic equation by these examples. Okay, but this quadratic equation we solve to find out the solutions. We have two methods. You know already that two methods are, first one is factorization method. First is factorization and second is using formula. Quadratic equation formula. Okay, you have to use the formula, that is x equal to, we get two values minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, 4ac by 2a. This is the formula for finding the roots. By using this formula we find the roots, or we find the values of x. We get two values, plus or minus is there, no? So we have to separate this plus and minus to get two values. Two roots we will get by using this formula. Okay, factorization method is one method and the using formula is another method. Okay, first method, that is I am going to show the first method, that is factorization method. By simple problems I will show here factorization. Here we call alpha is a root. For example, alpha is a root, then what is the quadratic equation? A alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to 0. If x is a root, Then we write the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Means we find the roots in which variable? Quadratic equation with the same variable, we have to find the roots of the variable. Here alpha is there, we have to find the root of this alpha. So then alpha satisfy, we also say that alpha is a root of ax square plus b, alpha plus c equal to 0, and alpha is satisfying the quadratic equation. Here x is a root, and we also say that x satisfies the given quadratic equation. Okay, like this, x equal to alpha. Okay, they are the roots, it is the solution of quadratic equation. Okay, or we say that alpha satisfy the given quadratic equation. How to factorize the quadratic equation, children? By splitting their middle term. We have to note down this point, children. By splitting their middle terms for finding the roots, of quadratic equation, we have to simply split the middle term of the quadratic equation. Okay, let us see now how you will do the problems here. Example, let us take, find the roots of the equation of given equation is 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0 by factorization method. If it is given factorization method, then we have to do by factorization. If not, we have to use formula also. Second method I will upload in next video, children. Please go through that video for second method. Okay, now how you will do this? See here, this is the given equation. Let the given equation is given equation is two x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Comparing to given equation, it is in the form of x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 5, c equal to 3. Like this, this is in the form of standard equation form. So now let us split. What is the point here? How to factorize? By splitting their middle term for finding the roots. Here finding the roots, we have to split this middle term. Okay, minus 5x is there. Okay, minus 5x is, we have to divide this 5x into two terms, that is 3x minus 2x. Okay, this is adding, after adding we will get minus 5x only. So split this 5x in minus 3x and minus 2x. Okay, now write down this 2x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. And another point we have to observe that 2 into 3, last term and first term multiplying, we get 6 here. 6x square we are getting. So by multiplying this we have to get 6x square, that is 3x into 2x. What you will get? 6x square, okay, minus 2x. Okay, by multiplying also we have to see that first term and the third term we are getting 6x square, no? So by using these terms we get 6x square by multiplying. Okay, so write down this middle term as 2x 3x minus 2x. Now take common 2x common here. Sorry, here I will write 2, here I will write 3, because 3 terms, here 2 same coefficient is there. 2x common I am taking, x minus 1 is there, and here I am taking 3x. Okay, here 3 I am taking common, x is first term, and minus into minus plus we will get 1 here. So to get same terms common we have written like that. Take out x minus 1 common, we are remaining with 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now equate these two to equal to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0. 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. We will get x equal to 1 here, and 2x equal to 3, x equal to 3 by 2. So finally we get x equal to 1 comma 3 by 2 are roots of given quadratic equation. Like this we have to solve the quadratic equation, children. Okay, we have to verify this. The roots are verification. We can see by using this verification part we can check the obtained values are real roots or not. Okay, so putting x equal to 1 comma 3 by 2 in given equation. First put x equal to 3 by 2 in quadratic equation. Given quadratic equation is 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. See here, we have to check whether these values are correct or not. Verify. Okay, now 2x square means x value we are get obtained is 3 by 2 minus 5 into 3 by 2 plus 3 equal to 0. 2 into 9 by 4 minus 5 3s are 15 by 2 plus 3 equal to 0. Here 2 1s are 2 2s are 9 by 2 minus 15 by 2 plus 3 equal to 0. Here what you will get? 15 minus 9, how much? Minus 6 by 2 plus 3 equal to 0. Now cross multiple this, minus 6 plus 6, 2 3s are 6 is equal to 2 equal to 0. That is 0. This is simply equal to 0 here. So given equation satisfy the quadratic equation. We got 0 here, right hand side and left hand side. So the value is correct. Okay, and next is putting the value x equal to what we have obtained. X equal to 1 is another root. No, first put in the x equal to 1 in 2x square minus given equation, that is 2 into x means 1 whole square minus 5 into 1 plus 3 equal to 0. This part also very important, children. We have to verify whether the obtained roots are correct or not. So 2 1s are 2 minus 5 plus 3 equal to 0. Now how much? Minus 3 plus 3 equals 0. So 0 equals 0. Here also 0 equal to 0. Left hand side and right hand side are equal to zeros. Okay, then the x equal to 1 is also a root. Okay, therefore we obtained root. So the given obtained roots are correct. Okay, we verified this, okay, by solving, by putting the values of x in the quadratic equation. So x equal to 1 comma 3 by 2 are correct. Okay, are roots, correct roots. Okay, like this we can verify the obtained answer is right or wrong. Okay, another question is here. Find the roots of 3x square minus 2 root 6 x plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, here solution is given equation is in the quadratic equation form. Quadratic equation form. So we have to split this middle term 3x square roots 2 root 6, we have to split this middle term. 2 root 6 means minor root 6x minus root 6 minus root 6, and we have to obtain 2 3 is 6x square. Okay, we have to obtain 6x square also. After multiplying these splitting terms, we have to get 6x square. See here, I write this 2 root 6 in two terms, that is root 6 minus root 6. Okay, multiplying this we get root 6 x into root 6x. What? Root cancel, 6 minus into minus plus x into x square. Yes, we are getting 6x square here. So apply this. So given equation can be written as minus root 6x minus root 6x, and constant is 2 here, right as it is. So take common in this. I am taking root 3 common here. X root 3 3 we will get x into x square minus root 2. I am writing here, multiply this root 3 into root 2 root 6, and x is x. Here I am taking root 2 common, root 3 into x minus into minus plus. What you will write here? We have to get root, simply 2 we have to multiply with root 2 here is equal to 0. Root 2 2 we will get. Okay, now this term and this term is common here. Take out this. What is remaining here? Root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. These are the roots. We have to find now roots. Same values here, root 3x, root 2, root 3x and root 2. So equal to 0, both were equal to 0. We have to get x values, no, to equate 0, then equating 0 we will get x values, means roots of the equation. So root 3x equal to root 2. Now x equal to how much? Root 2 by root 3. That is x equal to common root we will write here. Now again this is also the same, no? Root 3x is equal to root 2. X equal to root 2 by root 3. Same here we will write 2 by 3. Now same roots are obtained. So x equal to root 2 by 3 is a repeated root. Okay, repeated root. Now this is the values of the x values are repeated twice, for which we have written x equal to root 2 by 3 is a repeated root. This root x is repeated here. So like this we have to find the values of finding the roots of x. Root means x, nothing but x. Another is second method, that is nature of roots formula, that is minus b plus or minus underscore b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is formula method. Okay, I have told you already before starting this topic, that is two methods are there using quadratic formula. Factorization we have solved some problems. Okay, second method, that is nature of roots formula, means quadratic equation. Direct we will substitute the values by comparing the quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. This is the formula. Okay, based on this formula I will do examples in next video, but before that, in these 3 points are important. First is, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, this is under root, no? If this value is greater than 0, what you will get? Two distinct roots get. Okay, real roots we will get. Okay, by solving examples you will know these points. If we get 4ac, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, what you will get? Two equal roots we will get. Okay, when you get equal to 0. Third one, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then no real roots are obtained for that equation. Okay, so next video I will show the problems. Okay, thank you for watching, children. Watch my complete video. Based on this formula I will show some examples. Okay, watch complete video. Okay, thank you for watching, children. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates in maths. कैसे था ना